This is a Honda Navi. I've never ridden this bike before. You and I are both going to discover what this Honda Navi is about for the first time. But anyway, before we take off, let's talk a little bit about the bike, because that's what I usually do in my videos. If you already know about the bike, you can skip ahead if you want. But this motorcycle is fully automatic. What does that mean? It means that it's super easy to ride. Twist and go operation. Boom. Not even a neutral gear on this bike. Can you believe that? It's got a 109cc 4-stroke engine that you can't even see. Look, check it out. Tiny little bike. I think it's the same size as a Honda Gram. That's the Honda Gram right there. And here's the Navi. They're both similar sizes, but this motorcycle is only $2,000. Can you believe that? Super inexpensive motorcycle. It does about 50 miles an hour. Not sure if you can take it on the highway, but who cares? 50 miles an hour, perfect for going to the gym and back, and maybe small little grocery runs or whatever. You can fit the bike with saddlebags and then do whatever you got to do. So it's the perfect last mile vehicle. The cool thing about this bike is that it's got an electric start and go operation. It's such a simple motorcycle. Perfect bike for beginners, obviously. Twist and go operation, automatic transmission. I think I've read quite a few comments on the channel from you guys wanting an automatic motorcycle. Well, here it is. What we're looking at here is the base white model, and this is $1,999, and I believe the other colors are a little bit more expensive. There's also the pearl red right in front of me here, and then silver metallic, as well as a blue metallic, which is right over here. These guys here are $100 more, so we're looking at $2,099. I think we're gonna go for the white one. White's my favorite. Oh, and the pegs are pushed way in the front. What is this? I'm experiencing this for the first time. I don't know what any of these gears and levers are. How to even turn this thing on? Hey, Colin?
Yeah.
Can you show me how to turn on the Navi?
Yeah.
I'm like fiddling with it. I can't figure it out.
Yeah. Which one are you grabbing?
The white one?
Yeah. So side stand up, grab the brake, and push the button.
Oh.
Because it's basically like a scooter transmission.
Ah.
You have to grab the brake and the side stand because it's automatic, right? They don't want you hit the button and you're on the gas or something. So hold the brake and side stand's got to be up.
Okay, so there's no clutch, there's no first gear.
Gas and go. Yeah.
That's crazy. Whoa.
Yeah, easy.
All right, thanks, bud.
No problem.
Okay, first experience riding a clutchless motorcycle. It's like literally grab and go. What a crazy experience. This does not feel normal, guys. Oh, look at this. This is a treat, my friends, because now I can put a check mark next to riding a clutchless motorcycle, or a motorcycle that does not have gears. What is this thing here? What is this? Are these brakes? What is this? Yeah, I think these are brakes. Look at this little girl, or boy, riding a small, tiny little mini bike. That has got to be the coolest thing ever. Oh my God, I can't believe this. This is wild. It feels kinda. I'm gonna like quote unquote kinda say that it feels like a Gram, but not really. This, on the other hand, is like super smooth. Super smooth. Let's see if we can take this thing kinda off-road. Not exactly off-road, but kinda off-road. See what it can do. Follow these guys and girls. Oh shit! What's going on up there? We're taking this little Navi and going off-road. I'm so used to like stopping, holding the clutch, and then shifting. I don't have to do that. Like I'm looking for a lever right here, and one does not exist. Except I have this weird thing in front of me, which I think is the front brake or the rear brake. Who knows? Such a wild experience, man. I don't know how to describe it, guys. It's one of those bikes that you almost never get to see out in public. I don't see that many of these. Colin, one of the program managers here, was telling me that this thing used to sell like hotcakes, and then the Gram took over once again as the bestseller for Honda. But yeah, who wouldn't want this? Look at this. I'm in grass right now doing off-road in a Honda Navi, and the road surface is super slippery, guys. Super slippery. Got torrential rains here in Alabama. Wow, if I stop, I will fall over. Whoa. Okay, we got road. There we go. That's better. But yeah, I mean, take that as an off-road experience. Doesn't do too bad. You know, I think I like the experience of not having a clutch. It's totally different. Totally different. It's so cool. Alright, let's get back onto the main road. Acceleration is pretty spunky. 30 miles an hour already. This thing hits top speed of 50, guys. In case you're curious. Raining pretty heavy right now. Sorry about that, guys. Doing about 45 miles an hour on this thing. Wow, I'm super impressed. I'm still trying to get used to the whole automatic thing. I'm so confused right now, but I love it. The speed! This is like the perfect city bike. Holy shit! It's so effortless to ride. Oh my god. Let's see if we can find a couple of people and ask them for their opinion. How's it going? Cool monkey.
Huh?
I said cool monkey. What do you think of this baby? Are you curious to find out what it is? How many gears do you think it has?
Mine got 4. I would guess 5.
0.
0.
0. It doesn't even have a neutral gear. It's all automatic.
Wow.
It's called a Honda Navi.
Navi.
Yep, this is $2,000. Turn it on and go just like that. Nothing, not even, look, no clutch. Why would you buy a cheap $1,500 e-bike when you can get this for $2,000?
Yeah, that's true.
Right? That's what the purpose of this is.
That's nice, man. I like those little tires, too.
Yeah. Riding this thing is like riding a bicycle. I'm not even kidding. But yeah, that's like one of the cool things about owning a bike like this. It's like, it's kind of not stressful to ride. And I think that's my overall impression. It's a low-key bike, not that much stress. You get on it, you turn the throttle, and off you go. And then look at the spectacle in front of me here. Oh my goodness. Funny, funny, funny.
A few moments later.
Well guys, I'm just gonna put it out there. This is the least stressful bike I have ever ridden in my entire life. Out of the 100+ motorcycles that I've reviewed on this channel, this is the one. If you want a super comfortable bike and your first bike ever, I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. Turn this baby on, twist the throttle, go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.